Okay, so it's been a while since I did my last video, but I'm back. I'm the Chosen Gaming, and we are now making a video about a drive ahead. So as you can see, this is the hacked version, but I also have the unhacked version, but it's so weak. So I found a way to hack it.
Driving alone.
Okay.
Money will
Stop.
die.
So I'm back here with my friends, and we are going to make a video. I mean, like a multiplayer video against me. So each of them will face me, and whoever beats me, he has to give me a challenge. Okay, so they will choose what challenge it is. Okay, so I'm gonna start. Who will be my first? Who will have the first turn? Okay, so it's gonna be Andres. Okay, Andres. Okay, come on. We are going to start the video. Okay, we're gonna choose local. Okay, so you may now choose. Okay, you may now choose your car. Okay, I will choose mine. Okay, so as you can see, I still didn't complete all those vehicles. Okay.
What's that? No cars?
Okay, so I think I'm gonna use the hover car. Okay, so you can't use that because that is locked. Okay, so I prefer him to, but since he is the challenger, I will choose, he will use random. Okay, so we will have a random arena. Okay, so let's start.
Random too. That is suck.
Okay.
Suck in the dick.
Okay.
Tactical.
Go.
Die.
Oh, yeah.
Sudden death match. No.
What?
No team scores.
Okay, so it looks
Let's
like
finish.
this okay.
You want to see is red. Oh, damn it. Red's
Okay, so as you know, I'm here with my friends. So if there are unnecessary noises, I'm so sorry. Okay.
Bam. I killed myself.
Okay.
You know,
Okay.
Filipino.
Okay, so he died. Okay, so it looks like the Chosen Game is going to take this away. I win.
No.
So as you can see, Red wins. So Andres is not going to have a challenge for me. Okay, so who's going next?
Me. It must be Nicholas.
Okay, so it should be Jorish. Okay, for okay, wait. I'm gonna
Star 636. Yeah.
Okay. So as you know, I am now playing I am playing the blue team, and Jorish is playing the red team. Okay. Okay, I will choose hover car. Okay, so we will start.
Suck it.
Okay, let's start. Okay, go. Okay.
Red team scores.
I killed myself. Okay. Okay.
So weak. You're super noob. Super noob. Oh. Rojak's close.
Okay, so which means I win.
Die, Jin.
Okay, I have techniques. Okay, so as you can see, I am struggling right now. So yeah.
Rush yourself.
Okay.
Blue
I'll
team
take-
score.
Okay. So yes.
4-3.
What a trick. Okay.
All maniacs.
Oh, Tara.
Such a
Yeah, boom, chocolate.
Okay, I almost died there.
Dahil.
Namatay. Patay na ninyo, oy.
So looks like I win. Okay, so finally the last thing that I'm about to do is take this game away. Okay, I'm gonna take it. Okay, so it looks like the Chosen Gaming took this game. Okay, so I still have 1, 2, 3, 4 more games left. Okay, so it's gonna be next. Okay, the next will be my number one. I think the next will be my number one basher.
On the screen.
Okay, Okay. Who will be the next?
Me.
Okay, it's gonna be Jafet.
Jafet.
Okay, so we're going to the last round.
Saya na world na. Saya na world. Ikat na uy.
Okay.
You can't understand.
Okay.
Okay. Do not subscribe it because it's funny.
Okay, so you heard nothing. Pretend you heard nothing. Please pretend to hear nothing.
Okay. Don't pretend.
Okay. So we are going to start this game. Okay.
Suck my dick.
Okay, come on. Okay, let's start.
Just
Okay.
said that.
Okay, sorry. I'm sorry. That was totally flip. Okay, I am blue. You're red. Okay, I can't.
Daw ko. Sabat daw.
Yes, sir.
Sabang-sabang. Yeah.
So it's gonna.
can see is building.
I think this will be my first one.
What a nice shot.
Okay, so it looks like they have 2 points.
We win because that's disqualified. It
Okay.
looks like the chosen gaming will be defeated.
Oh, it's cheating.
Okay, good.
Subscribe.
Okay, so it looks like I.
Kuha ka ko ulo.
Okay, it looks like I took that away. Okay.
Okay. The winner.
Bloody. Yeah, bloody hell. Sudden death.
What was that?
Yeah.
I'm the loser.
Okay, this will be the last round. Okay.
And you will be the defeated. You want to see us?
Okay, so it looks like it's a straight win for the chosen gaming. Okay, so the next player.
That thing is just a chummy ball.
Okay. Okay, so next will be my number 1 basher. It's gonna be.
Is
It looks like
Nicolas.
it's gonna be.
Nicolas.
Yes, Nicolas.
Oh, what Nicolas and the devil?
Okay.
There is no forever in love.
Okay. Okay.
Tinako ay mawala na ka. Give that run to me.
Okay, so it looks like they are now leaving.
Now leaving because it's fun.
So this is gonna be the last round. So I am now facing Dave. Yes, my classmate. Okay, so this will be the last round. Okay.
One hit delete.
No, you can't choose because you are the challenger.
Wait in
Okay, Andres,
What?
shut up, Andres.
Shut your mouth.
Okay.
Shut your mouth.
Suck my dick.
Okay, so I am promising you guys that I will show you
Gaga.
my first video in.
Lady Gaga.
Okay, I'm gonna show you my
Suck
first.
it.
I am going to show you my first Clash of Clans video.
Rape ahead.
Maybe I am going to show you I'm going to show you a Clash of Clans video maybe a few days from now. Okay, so I am going to start.
Sucks away.
Sexy lady.
Okay. We both have our class. Okay, I lost that. This will be my greatest challenge. Okay, play. Okay, I win. Okay, I will never lose this. So it looks like yeah.
Break that blitz.
Get right.
Okay, so I am the chosen gaming. Always remember that. And please subscribe and like this video.
Oh my god. Broom broom. Laliki ang makina.
Okay, I died and I am in one I only have 1 star. Okay, so I'm gonna win this.
Chosen gaming movie.
Boom.
Looks
Will be
like
defeated.
no, the chosen gaming will be not. Okay.
Oh.
I can't believe that this will be my last shot. Okay, I must not lose it. Okay. So yeah, that was my greatest challenge, and
This Charlie defeated you.
Dave,
Charlie defeated you.
my classmate, defeated me. Okay, so maybe that's all for today, guys.
Wait.
As you can see,
The video is too short.
no,
please.
no, no. So as you can see, guys, that is my first video in my school, and yeah, it was a bad
have
video
lots
for
of
me.
video in school,
And
though.
yes, the chosen gaming was defeated, but I promise you guys, next time I will never be defeated. Okay, so if you have any
Tronen,
suggestions,
if you want
please
kills,
make sure to make sure to tell me at the comment section.
subs for him to play the ultimate game. Please,
Oh.
everyone, give him a 1 million subs for. He could give you a surprise.
Okay, so it is a surprise. Okay, so always remember, please subscribe this
Always.
video and please like this video. I'm the chosen gaming. I'm out.